Hello, it's Tom from Small Business Saturday here. I'll tell you a little bit about Small Business Saturday and how you can get involved. So for those of you that don't know, Small Business Saturday is a campaign to support and promote what's great about small businesses. And there's loads and loads of ways that you can get involved with the campaign as a small business. The first point of call that you should go to is to our website, which is smallbusinesssaturday.uk.com. And there you'll see a little button on the top which says Get Involved. And you click on I'm a small business. And there it tells you how to make the most of social media, so your Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, all those. And then we also have our My Small Business Finder as well, which you can upload your business, create a profile. It also allows you to create any events or offers that you want to do, not just around the Small Business Saturday period in December, but you can do it all year round. It's also it shows you how you can learn from other businesses as well. There's lots of different success stories and case studies on there where you can learn what's worked for other businesses in the past, and also you might find that there's a local business that you can sort of team up with to make the most of the campaign.